In this video, I'll show you how to install RDE expanded and enhanced in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you're looking to make GTA 5's police system more realistic, RDE expanded and enhanced is a great mod to install. It builds on top of Realism Dispatch Enhanced mod by improving police AI, dispatch behavior, vehicles, weapons, uniforms, and many other gameplay features, creating a much more immersive law enforcement experience. Keep in mind that RDE expanded and enhanced is not a standalone mod. It requires the base Realism Dispatch Enhanced to be installed first. If you haven't installed RDE, I'll show you how to install it in this video so you can follow along with the steps. Alright, before installing this mod, take notes that this mod is intended for story mode only. Do not use gameplay mods in GTA Online. So if you plan on playing GTA Online later, make sure you use a clean installation of GTA 5 without mods. Alright, to start, let's download RDE Expanded and Enhanced. You can go to gta5mods.com or just click the link in the description of this video and it will bring you to this page. So what we're gonna download first is RDE Expanded and Enhanced. Here you just need to click download and then click download again. It'll prompt the download, just save it somewhere on your PC and the download will start. Now if we go back and go to the description of the page, it says that you have to install RDE before using this mod. So you can click the link here to go to its page. It'll bring you to nexusmods.com. So this is the base mod. Now if you already installed this, you can skip the part where I install RDE, but just in case you haven't installed it, I'll show you how to install this as well. So once you're here, you want to go to the files tab and then just download the latest update. You'll need to log in first before you can download. If you don't have an account, you can just register for free. So for the base RDE, you can go back to description and then click requirements. Here you can see all of the required mods you need to install. The required one is ScribbleV and ScribbleV.net Nightly. You absolutely need to install this, and it's also recommended to install FYBox Streamer and Pack File Limit Adjuster. Now to download it, you can just click the link here. The first one is going to be ScribbleV. As I said, I'll put the link in the description. So just click that and then download ScribbleV. The next thing we need is ScribbleV.net. I'll also put the link in the description. Here, just download the latest update, which is this one. Just click the zip file and it'll start the download. For Pack File Limit Adjuster, it's not a must to install it, but it's a good idea to install this to avoid any crashes. So just hit download just like before and then hit download again. Save it on your PC. Do the same for FWBox Streamer. Hit download and hit download again and save it on your PC as well. Now for RDE, to install it, you'll need OpenIV. If you already have OpenIV on your PC, you can skip the part where I install OpenIV. But for this video, I'll also show you how to install it. So just hit download and save it on your PC. Alright, after you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder and now you'll have all of the necessary files. ScribbleV, ScribbleV.net, Pack File Limit Adjuster, and also FWBox Streamer. And of course the RDE and RDE Expanded and Enhanced. Now I already sort this and create a folder because the first thing we're gonna do is to install all of the requirement. To install them, you'll need to locate your GTA 5 main directory. If you don't know where, you can go to this path on the screen, which is the default location of GTA 5. Now if you still cannot find it, you can locate it through your launcher. On Epic Games, you want to go to Library and then look for your GTA 5. On the right, click the three dots, go to Manage, and then you can click the folder icon to open up the install location. On Steam, you can do the same. Go to Library and then look for your GTA 5. Right click on it, Manage, and hit Browse Local Files. It'll open up your install location as well. Alright, now that you have your GTA 5 main directory, we can start installing all of the requirements. Let's start with ScribbleV. It's in a zip file, so to open it up, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip. But if you're on Windows 11, you can just right click on it and then hit Extract All. Hit extract again, and now you'll have it in a folder. Let's open it up, go to the bin folder, and for ScribbleV, what you need is xinput, ScribbleV, and dinput8.dll. So just select all of the three, and then you want to put it into your GTA 5 main directory. So you can drag and drop it into your GTA 5 like that, and that's done for ScribbleV. And let's go on with ScribbleV.net. We're going to extract this first, right click, hit extract all, hit extract. Let's open up the folder. And here what you need is all of the ASI, INI, and PDB files. So just like all of them, and you're going to put it into your GTA 5 main directory, just like we did with ScribbleV. Now ScribbleV.net is installed, and we can go on with Pack File Limit Adjuster. Just like before, extract this. Let's go to the folder. Here what we need is the ASI and INI file. So just select them, put it into your GTA 5 main directory, and that's done. Now let's install the last requirement, which is FWBox Streamer. Right click on it, hit extract all, hit extract, go to the folder, and here what you need is these two. You're gonna put it into the main directory, just like that, and all of the requirement is installed. And we can start installing RDE. So what you have is the base RDE and the RDE expanded and enhanced. But first, we need to install OpenIV because we're going to use it to open up the OIV file. Just double click on the exe file, select English and hit continue. Read the license agreement, check I accept if you do, and hit continue. Here, you don't need to change anything. Click continue again, and it will ask you to download some necessary files. Hit yes, and it'll start downloading and installing OpenIV on your PC. After the installation is complete, you can close the setup and launch OpenIV. Let's search it on Windows, open it up. The first time you launch it, you'll see this. Select GTA 5 Windows, and then you'll need to locate your GTA 5. So we already have it here, and what you can do is just click the top path and then right click on it, copy, go back to OpenIV, hit browse, and then you're gonna paste the path here. So right click, hit paste, and press enter, and then you can hit select folder. Now it will successfully detect your GTA5.exe. Hit continue, and it will launch OpenIV. Alright, we're in OpenIV, and the first thing you need to do is to enable edit mode. On the top right, click edit mode. There will be a warning, just hit yes. And after that, if this is the first time you launch OpenIV, there will be a message saying that you have to install ASI Manager, but I don't have it here. And if you don't see the message, you can go to tools at the top and then go to ASI Manager. Here you need to install ASI Loader, OpenIV.asi, and Open Camera. After you do that, you can close this ASI Manager and let's start installing RDE. So first, we need to install the base RDE, which is this one, Rebalance Dispatch Enhance. Just like before, we need to extract this. So just right click, hit extract, and this time it will take a moment to extract. After it's done, let's open the folder, and here you'll have the installer along with the uninstaller. There is an optional add-ons folder as well, but first let's install RDE. Now to install it, you're gonna use OpenIV, and to do that, you can just drag and drop it onto OpenIV. Just like that, it'll open up the package installer. Here, just hit install, select the mods folder if it's available. Now you need to confirm the installation, hit install to confirm, and now just wait for it to finish installing. After the installation is complete, you can close this package installer, and if you want, you can install the optional add-ons. But I'm not gonna show you how to install this because the video can get too lengthy. If you want, I'll make a separate video explaining how to install it. But for now, let's go back and install RDE Expanded and Enhanced. Just like before, let's extract this. Right click, hit extract all, hit extract. Now let's open up the folder, and inside it, pretty similar with the base RDE, you'll have the OpenIV installer and an optional folder. So let's install it first. Like before, let's drag and drop it onto OpenIV. I'll open up the package installer, hit install, select the mods folder, and then hit install and wait for the installation to complete. Alright, after it's done, RDE Expanded and Enhanced is installed on your GTA 5. Now you can close this, and let's go to the optionals folder. Here you'll have 4 add-ons, and to install them, for example, hard mode infinite search time, there is a readme file that you can read. So for example, this one, you can see the installation path. Let me show you how to do it. So it's gonna be mods, update RPF, common, and then data. And we put this meta file into the data folder. You can just drag and drop it just like that, and that's done. So basically that's how you do it for the other optionals. For example, this one, this is a bit different. You need to put it into your main directory. So let's open up the installation folder. We need to put it inside your scripts folder. Now, if you don't have a scripts folder inside your GTA 5 main directory, you can just create a new folder and name it scripts. So to install this add-ons, you can just drag and drop it into the scripts folder. And that's done. Now let's see this fix cops not shooting. It's an OpenIV file just like before. You can open it up with OpenIV and install it just like we did with RDE. I think that's it for the optionals. And we basically done installing RDE and RDE Expanded and Enhanced. But before you launch GTA 5, you need to disable the anti-cheat first. So to do that, on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to settings. And here just uncheck BitAlive, which is GTA Online anti-cheat. After you do that, you can just launch the game. Once you're in the game, spend a few minutes exploring the world. You should notice improvements throughout the game, including updated police vehicles, emergency response, enhanced dispatch behavior, and other gameplay refinements. And one thing that you should notice is that you can get up to 10 stars. It's pretty fun to stay alive while the police trying to shoot you. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.